swore I heard footsteps. Right behind us, right back there. Like an exorcist. Somebody was following us. There ain't nobody there.
That's the why you keep looking back behind us?
Mm-hmm.
Got a fart. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was a good one. It's kind of a little cooler in this area. Anybody here? It's shaded, but I just felt a little cold spot in this area. I walked up to it. That's weird. I'm not feeling no cold spot again. Buddy might have said it was haunted here. We did a haunted back in the day. I think I'm gonna do it tonight. That was weird. I know it's shaded there, but I felt like a little cold spot. It was just like one cold spot. And it's gone. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I got walked right up and right before I got these trees, and it just felt like a cold spot. I know it's shaded, but it's shaded right here, and I don't feel any cold spot. It's just like a